Hello everyone, and welcome back. I stopped off today, and if you remember in one of the last videos, I took the PTO shaft apart here on the tractor, and it's all bent to crap because I'm just too hard on it. And I stopped by today and I bought a new one, the new half that's bent, and then I made sure that this side isn't bent at all, and it does go all the way in. So now it's time to get everything put back together and get the new belt on and see if it will cut some grass. You know what I don't like? I think you guys can see it like that. This idler wheel right here. See that angle it's at? I mean, maybe it is a different height than... This is a different height than that. But that's the exact same, no, it's the exact same height as that back spindle. I think that this should be... I don't know if I tighten this down some. I mean, then it still has to be able to spin, but there's two washers in there. I think what I'm going to do is go inside and look at the video that I did a couple years ago when I had to put the new belt in. I did that video strictly so I could watch it. I went and looked at that video, and right in the description it told me I needed a 130 inch by 5/8 belt. And I remember that there was more than one way to put this belt on, so let me go look and see how I did it. I mean, not that that doesn't have to be repaired, this right here, but what if I've got the belt on there the wrong way and that's why it's pulling it that way? I have no clue. So I'm going to go look at that anyway. I can't wait to get out there and mow that field. Like this time of year when it's been that long, for so long, it kind of gives me a closed-in feeling. Like I want to be able to look out the kitchen window or the living room window and see all that mowed. Well, that was the right configuration. It's getting late now though. It's like almost 8:30 at night. It was a long day at work today, and I am going to tighten that down. I can see in the video though that it's cocked a little bit, but I don't know if it was that much. And then plus once it gets moving and the belt settles to where it's going to go. But it definitely, this is the old belt right here. It was definitely time to replace it. And this one here was actually quite expensive when I bought it. And this time I went on and I just got two belts, much cheaper than what these were. And I'm just going to see how that works. These are rubber. I don't know if this was a Kevlar or it kind of looks like, I'm not real sure. I can't see any of the writing on it anymore. I can't remember what I bought. But anyway, we're going to try these out. They were only $20 a piece. So, you know, if they work for a season and blow out, I could care less. I'll just put another one on. But anyway, we'll come back to it. I'm going to tighten that down. I want to grease the Zerks on there, check everything out, and hopefully, I don't know, I'm more excited right now that in 3 days I'm going to be up at the tent. That's what I'm most excited about right now. Fishing, might do some mud bugging. Melissa's going up, the dogs are going up, and I'm just super excited about that. I have people coming out to look at the camper. Possibly tomorrow night, for sure the following morning if I'm here. You know, my schedule changes daily, so, but right now it's set up for 10 o'clock in the morning that day. So anyway, it's going to be busy, but hopefully I can get this put back together before I go up to the tent, because once I start packing for the tent, that's it. I'm not thinking about that mower anymore. Well, it's the following evening right now. It has rained almost 3/4 of an inch today. Just came through in some downpours. It is, last time I looked, it was 66. I think it got to 70 degrees here. I was in Superior, Wisconsin today at Melissa's work. It was 54 degrees. It was cold. I just come out here and I thought I would try to tighten this up. I already started getting stuff ready to go to the tent tomorrow. It's hard for me to think about anything else. If I don't know, I'm supposed to have people come and look at the camper tomorrow morning by 10 in the morning. They haven't confirmed yet, but the lady said that she works and gets off at 7:30 in the morning. So she could be at work, but I hope that if they are coming, I'm definitely going to stay for that. If not, I'm going to be heading up north earlier than that. My dad, I think, will already be up there. Oh man, that is tight. I'm thinking I'm just going to run it right now. We're going to go out there and see how it works. Even though everything is wet, I want to cut with it just a little bit. Probably want to take this whole thing off and maybe put new washers in there. I don't know. Obviously, like I said, I looked at the video. This is how it was before. It just doesn't seem right to me. I did come back out here last night and I greased up those zerks. And I do want to take the blades off though and get those sharpened. But for right now, let's just go out there, make sure everything is working good now that I got the new shaft on there, new belt. And then after I get back from the tent, I can tinker around with the small stuff like the blades and trying to straighten out that one idler pulley. Show you guys, I've already mowed this field once this year with the regular mower. Look at how high the trees have already grown. It doesn't take very long for nature to steal back what she wants. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I'm excited to get up to the tent and I'm excited to get home and mow the fields. I will see you guys on the next video.